In today's video, I want to share with you my ridiculously productive minimal workout that only takes 2 items. That's right, 2. My name is Timothy Sands and this is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the lucky ones and have subscribed early, welcome back. If you are new here, subscribe if you're so inclined. Okay, so let's get into my minimal workout that only takes 2 items, maybe 3. Yeah, 2 items, maybe 3. But before I talk about the workout specifically, I want to talk about men's body image. I think it's actually more important to work on your mental game before you even hit the weights, because your body image, and especially men's body image, because we do not talk a lot about it, is actually very, very important. So when I was young, I didn't care about sports. I didn't even care about working out. My brothers worked out a little bit, but I didn't care. I kind of saw myself as the arts guy, the creative guy. I just didn't define myself as a guy who worked out. And then this girl told me my chest looked good. And I thought, wow, if my chest looks good without working out, just imagine if I did. And boom, I was hitting the weights on pretty much a daily. Now, working out came pretty easy to me, I must admit. I have a pretty physically fit body. I didn't have a lot of challenges to overcome, and I was rewarded pretty quick. So hitting the weights wasn't that hard. Thus, I had a very positive body image. I equate this to, have you ever seen a big buxom broad doing yoga? Because yoga makes you skinny? No, because most of the times people gravitate towards things that are easy. So little limber, skinny girls do yoga because, yeah, they're pretty good at it already. That's why you don't see a big buxom heavy lady doing yoga, because it's hard and she doesn't see the rewards quickly and she can't probably touch her toes as quick as a little limber girl. So boom, that makes her not really gravitate towards yoga. So we do things that reward us and that are probably easy for our figures, right? So I obviously mentioned the ladies there because they have a lot of, body image issues and the media just feeds them full of crap. Well, the same thing for guys, we just don't talk about it. You know why we don't talk about it? Because, well, we're guys and we don't talk about that kind of stuff. Now, I know I just said a little earlier that working out was easy for me. And yes, it was pretty easy and it came natural, but I also had my crazy vanity issues. So it's an insult to call someone fat, correct? So it's not an insult to call someone skinny. Wrong. Because when a teen goes to a Marvel movie and sees Thor with his big muscles and witty repartee saving the world, he comes back from that and someone calls him skinny. That's not exactly a compliment. Now, I'm too young to be that teen, but let me just say I can empathize. So what is of the utmost importance to getting in shape? Love and accept your body first. That's right. Don't go ahead and try to fix anything. Don't try to fix what's wrong. Don't try to find what's wrong with your body and fix it. No, love and accept your body, and then realize you take all the things that you love and you're just gonna make them better. Because trying to fix something, you will never get to the end of that rabbit hole. You will always be trying to fix something, and eventually you're gonna be some old raggedy person with a ridiculously stretched out face because you're gonna fall into the rabbit hole of plastic surgery. Okay, maybe not go that far, but still, right? I'm gonna say it again, love and accept your body first before you even touch a weight. Do not compare yourself to those Marvel movies with those ridiculously fit actors who have, that's right, personal body trainers, personal chefs. They have all kinds of amazing things that help them succeed and look amazing on camera. Plus they spend hours in a makeup chair and there is a very, very qualified cinematographer shooting them. And actually don't even compare yourself to someone like me, who was raised with like meat and potatoes and vegetables and that's it, and also had a very good metabolism, and I'm already fit in the first place. So again, you have to know what's awesome about yourself and capitalize off of that. All right, hit me in the comments below. Tell me what you love about your body. Okay, so enough about the mental game. Let's talk about my workout. So I am from Denver, Colorado. Denver, Colorado is rated as one of the top 10 healthiest cities in the United States. I am not surprised by that fact. Most of the people there are outdoorsy. They like to ride bikes and ski and take their New Balance shoes up into the mountains. They had awesome gyms that were clean and ironically empty. It was just a great place to be in shape. So when I moved to LA, the gyms were not such. They were dirty and not enjoyable to go to, and actually quite full of, very enjoyable people. So I stopped going to the gym and my workout suffered. Finally found this home workout called P90X, and it was not awesome. I thought it was overtraining and excessive. However, it did teach me about awesome home workouts that you can do without weight or benches and big free weights. And before I left Colorado, I had found this amazing book. Was it before? No, I think I found that book when I moved to LA. Let me show it to you. Yeah, that's right. That's right, it was this book right here. Yeah, this thing, I actually did find it when I moved to LA because I didn't have time anymore, and I realized I had to minimize my workout. I was working out way too much. This bad boy is all about high intensity and rest. I love that concept. I love that that's what you do to make yourself bigger, to make yourself healthier. And so those two things, P90X and high intensity training, I created an amazing home workout that works very well for me. So this has benefited me in many ways. First of all, I don't have to spend a ridiculous amount of money on gym memberships. I also do not have to get ready and go to the gym, so that is like a lot of resistance taken out to working out. All I have to do is put on some comfortable outfit and start working out in my living room. And also, I do not have to worry about daycare for Arthur. So all this combined makes life so much easier, and I highly, highly recommend it. Okay, so I know I've been dragging this out. The two items that I use for my home workout. First of all, the Power Block Classic 50s. Love these things. They are minimal, they are small, they do not take up a lot of space. They go up to 50 pounds. I'll be honest, I do actually recommend the Power Block Elites because you can adjust them to even more weight. But these have worked great for me. I've had them 7+ years. They're metal. Perfectly minimal, especially for living in an apartment where you don't have a lot of space. You can use them for multiple different workouts. And the second item, again, very simple, is a pull-up bar that you put in your doorway. And yes, that maybe third item that you might need is a chair. And most homes have these, so I think this is gonna be a no-brainer. You can change up a lot of things that make, doing leg workouts with them, tricep workouts with them, or even some push-ups that you can change up with a chair. So that's a highly flexible item and obviously pretty easy to come by. So if you want to know a little more about my entire workout, if that's at all a curiosity to you crazy kids out there watching me, please hit me in the comments below. That's it for now. I am Timothy Sands. This is my story of fashion and fatherhood. If you got any value from this video, please like. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please subscribe if you're so inclined. I've got a lot of videos about fashion, about fatherhood, and my general philosophy on things. All right, remember, style first, and see you on the flip side.
Okay, out. 1, 2, 3. Okay.